Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious tiramisu. First, ensure you have all your fresh ingredients ready, including good quality mascarpone and strong espresso. Begin by preparing your coffee and letting it cool completely. Next, whisk together egg yolks and sugar until they are pale and thick. Then carefully incorporate the mascarpone cheese to create that signature rich cream. This foundation is key to a truly authentic dessert. Now let's assemble our tiramisu. Take your ladyfingers and quickly dip them into the cooled espresso, being careful not to oversaturate them. Arrange these coffee-soaked ladyfingers in a single layer at the bottom of your dish. Then, spread half of your luscious mascarpone cream evenly over the ladyfingers. Repeat this process, creating another layer of dipped ladyfingers and topping it with the remaining cream. This layering builds the classic structure. Once assembled, your tiramisu needs time to set and for the flavors to meld beautifully. Place it in the refrigerator and chill for a minimum of 4 hours, though leaving it overnight truly enhances the taste and texture. Just before you're ready to serve, generously dust the top with unsweetened cocoa powder. For clean, elegant slices, use a warm, sharp knife, wiping it clean between each cut. Enjoy this delightful dessert. While the classic recipe is perfect, feel free to get creative. You can experiment with different liqueurs, perhaps a touch of rum or marsala wine, to add a unique depth of flavor. For a lighter, seasonal option, consider adding fresh berries between your layers. And speaking of quality, life's too short for cheap socks. You should really check out Darn Tough Socks, known for their lifetime warranty. You can find a link to those, plus other great deals and recipes, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.